This tutorial covers how to download an entire gallery of images from the Texas A&M University-Commerce SmugMug page. Unlike downloading individual images, which happens immediately, downloading entire galleries takes a few steps because SmugMug automatically zips the images, then emails you a link. The easiest way to access our SmugMug page is by typing tamuc.edu/photos. This takes you directly to our SmugMug page. Once you're there, you have a couple of options to find the gallery you want. You can try the search feature here, but probably the easiest way to look is in Recent Galleries. After clicking Recent Galleries, it usually takes a moment for the page to load. When complete, select a gallery. Here we'll use Spring Graduation as an example. In order to download the entire gallery, instead of hitting this small arrow, which lets you download this individual image, click this big download icon above the image. After clicking, SmugMug will ask you for your email address so it can verify it is a legitimate account. Use the address you want your images to be sent to. After about 30 seconds, check your email. There should be a message in your inbox from SmugMug asking you to verify your account.
Go ahead and click the long URL they sent.
After clicking, you'll see a message thanking you for verifying. This message also lets you know SmugMug has started the process of compiling all the images in the gallery you selected into one or more zip files. Please note, this process is happening in the background on the SmugMug server. You will not see any progress bar or any other indication of how long it will take or how much time is remaining. The only way you will know it is done is by receiving an email from SmugMug. This will take approximately 10 minutes, but that can vary greatly depending on the number of images in your gallery, so please be patient. As you wait for the email from SmugMug though, you can navigate away from this page or do whatever you like. You can even turn off your computer. The image compilation process is happening on the SmugMug server, not on your computer. Eventually, you will receive an email from SmugMug containing one or more links to the zip files with your images. In our example, this gallery contains approximately 100 images, and as you can see, SmugMug compressed all those images into 3 zip files. In order to get all the images in this gallery, you'll have to download all 3 zip files. After clicking the download link, your browser will automatically begin downloading the file to wherever your particular browser puts downloads. In our example, we are using Chrome. Chrome's default is to put its downloads in your Downloads folder. Furthermore, Chrome has this download bar showing your most recent downloads. If you click here on one of the files, it will automatically launch your system's file browser. In our example, we are on a Mac, so it launches Finder. If you are using a PC, this will be brought up in Windows Explorer. After clicking the file, your system will launch its unzip utility. If you're using a PC, that will generally be WinZip. In our example, using a Mac, it brings up Archive Utility. Once your computer is finished unzipping the file or files SmugMug has sent you, you'll have all the images from the gallery locally on your computer. We hope this helps. Please contact Marcom at tamuc.edu if you have additional questions.